You know it'd be easier if we head up over there.
No, we're trying not to start an avalanche.
We're not gonna start an avalanche.
You're right, we're not, because we're gonna go this way.
Zoe, seriously, come on!
Just keep climbing, okay? We're almost there!
I think he's going after a squirrel.
As long as he's not coming after us, he's fine.
You know what? I'm done fooling around. Come on, I'm serious. Let's get out of here.
Drew, don't!
It's all right, come on.
Please, come back into the trees.
Guys, it's fine, I swear.